Hey, how's it going? Just gonna do a quick review and test flight on this little quadcopter I got. It was really cheap. It's under $30. Just comes with a little remote. The remote to it has settings. These settings are to make it easier or harder to fly. So you can kind of just start on the first one or whatever, how it works, until you get more comfortable flying it. The setting I have it in now is like a real drone. All the controls are the same as like the bigger ones. Shows you your throttle when you're going up to. You're up and down and all that. Comes with a decent little battery. 25C, 300 milliamps, and then just your basic little charger, USB charger. And it used to look like some kind of little bug or whatever, and I painted it just to make it look a little cooler. But there's the basics of it, so I'll take a test flight of it, show you how it performs. And we'll say before I start, no professional flyer. So here we go anyway. Crash. I'll put it in a setting where it can do flips and stuff now. Nope. Like I said too, you can put it in different settings to make it not have as much power or whatever. So it is a little easier to fly inside, but I do have it on the max setting. And there's not enough room in here. So now I just have it back in the normal mode. I'll just try to fly it around and hover it. The trim's not really set perfect either. For these little things too though, you can never get the trim really perfect. Unless you have an expensive one. Like I said, this one was under $30, so. So there it is, just a quick review. Quick test of these little drones, or quadcopters. Not too bad. They're a lot of fun anyway. Good for learning. Before you spend thousands or hundreds on the big ones, at least get to control this one. Oh, Donald, you want to fly? Yeah, there it is.